Hello and welcome for this week's soap review. Today I have a really nice soap here. It's an American soap. It's a Grooming Department's laundry. This soap is absolutely loaded with oils, butters that is good and nourish your skin. And it's donkey milk, duck fat, lamb tallow, castor oil, butter, shea butter, everything is in here. Try to hold it still and you can pause the video. If not, you can see the ingredients list in the description below. I will post it there. This is a limited edition, so it's number 44 of 103 made ones. So it's not possible to buy this soap, but it doesn't matter because older soaps have this incredible base. And I shaved with this soap a few times. And I can tell you already now that it's one of the best soap. It's among the very best I ever used. Fantastic soap. This one is called Laundry. And it's supposed to be like the scent of laundry you hang out to dry in the wind. But for me it's not even close to that. It's a much, it's a sweeter, more powdery scent that I like very, very much. Very nice scent indeed. The most authentic one laundry soap, scented soap I used was Uncle John's cotton. It smelled actually just like you hang your sheets in the wind and sun to dry. Very, very nice. This one is more sweet and powdery, but very, very nice scent. So we're gonna use this soap today, and we go with the Rockwell base plate 6. I have not used this for a long while, and I have not used the blade either. It's the first use of a big chrome platinum, the yellow package. So we'll be using that today, and the brush will be Matti Lindholm ML Shaving Supplies. Magnificent brush, synthetic. And due to the good ingredients, I will not use any aftershave balm or anything. I will just finish off with Humphreys witch hazel. So here we go. I am in big need of a shave now. I have 4 days of growth, so it will be very, very satisfying to get rid of this now. I'm free for a couple of days from work now. I started to work this week and it was hell. I'm very, very tired, so I'm looking forward to be out in the nice weather we got here now in Sweden. 30 degrees, believe it or not. We will have now for a few days anyway, over the weekend also. We're gonna load this soap really good here. I always load my soaps like this, upside down, not to get any unnecessary water inside the soap. Prevent it to be soaked. And when I'm finished with the shave, I just leave it upside down on the lid for a few days, so it's completely dry. I got this soap from my very good friend Mike. Thank you very, very much. This is a great soap indeed. I'm gonna wet my face here a little bit. This is a soap you don't have to be afraid to. I'm gonna overload it because I'm not so familiar with this brush yet. You can absolutely drown this soap, like every good soap. You can take tons of water. I got so many good soaps coming up now on this channel. Now we're gonna work it in here very good, because it's needed. I want to have a, not BBS Shea, because I cannot get that with the eraser, but as close as I can get anyway. The sand strength of this soap is, I would say, medium or a little bit above medium. As you can see, the ladder is too dry. I overloaded it. Now we're gonna add very much water here. I think we are there. Maybe I should turn on the light a little bit. So there we go. It's a fantastic glide. The scent is so nice on this soap. It's quite a pricey soap. It costs $28. But it's definitely among the best soap out there. One of them. You who have this soap know what I'm talking about. And you who don't should really treat yourself to try. Even on the first pass you have a very nice residual slickness, and that's not very common. Nice first pass. Let's continue to next. I don't know if the duck fat makes the trick here, but it's an extremely slick soap. One of the slickest I ever used. This is perfect for you straight shavers who wants to take your time with your shave. Almost nothing left now except on the neck. I could probably do the third pass without any soap at all. That's how slick this soap is. And it's a fantastic post-shave feeling as well, can assure you. So we go against the grain here on the neck and see. Very nice. We are there. I'm going to rinse and I'll be back. Back for the little post shave here, Humphreys with chisel. I had a very nice shave. It felt great. And I know I will have a terrific post shave feeling. This is a soap that you could see was very easy to lather, could take a ton of water and felt great on the face. The lather lasts, it's extremely slick, one of the absolute slickest soap I ever had. Fantastic scent. Check their website out, they have scents for everyone there with this base. Fantastic soap. Treat yourself, you're worth it, definitely. Fantastic shave. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have used this soap or have it, please write a comment or write anything you like, really. It's much appreciated. Take care out there everyone, and see you soon. Bye bye.